Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, a GitHub account and a repo. First, make sure you committed a valid HTML entry file. Then, from your local project, run git add, git commitm initial, and git push origin main or the branch you plan to publish. You must push the exact branch you will later select for hosting. Once done, confirm the push completed without errors so GitHub has the latest files to serve. You now enable GitHub Pages inside the repo settings. Go to Pages, pick the branch you pushed, main or GH Pages, and choose root or /docs based on where index. HTML lives. Click Save and GitHub will queue a build. This is important because the site won't appear until the build finishes. Make sure to check the build status message displayed and the site path GitHub shows. If you used a custom domain, set that here. Otherwise, keep the default repo path. Once the page's build succeeds, GitHub displays the live link. Copy it and open in your browser. If you see a 404 or old content, make sure index. HTML exists at the chosen source and the correct branch was selected, then inspect the build logs for asset or Jekyll errors. Also clear your browser cache or wait a few minutes for propagation. If you used a custom domain, verify the CNAME and DNS settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.